Okay everyone, so question 6 is about a circle. A point A and a point B lie on circle, this point and this point, and the circle is having a center P. M is the midpoint. Given that the line L passes through M and P, this is your line L, this one. We need to find the equation of this line L, okay, in the form mx plus c. So the thing is, we know that if a line that is passing through the center and is bisecting the chord, bisecting means making it into equal halves because it is passing through midpoint. So if it is bisecting and it is passing through center, so it must be perpendicular to the chord. Okay, conversely it's also true that if a line is perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects it. Okay, it's like a theorem that we have already learned before. So this is one thing. So how can you find the equation of this line L is, first if you will be finding the slope of AB, then the slope of your line L will be negative reciprocal of the slope of AB, as AB line is perpendicular to line L. Okay, first thing. Secondly, we always need a point to write the equation for a circle, sorry, for any line. So that point we know is midpoint of AB, so we need to find midpoint of AB. So this is the whole of the working that we are going to do for this part A. So let's begin. A is -1 2 and B is 11 6. Okay, secondly, if this is the case, then we first let's find the midpoint. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. So this gives you -1 plus 11 over 2 and 2 plus 6 over 2. 11 minus 1 is 10 over 2 and 8 over 2. Okay, just we don't need to solve this very clearly, just write the final answer. 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 over 2 is 5. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is your midpoint M. Secondly, we need to find the slope of AB line so that we can write the slope of L, that is perpendicular. So y2 minus y1, so 6 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, 11 minus 1. So it gives you 4 over 11 plus 1 is 12, and that gives you 1 over 3. So your slope of line L, I told you that it is going to be negative reciprocal of your 1 over 3, that is the slope of your line AB. So it will give you -3. Okay, this is your slope of line L. Now we get to have this point and this slope, so we can write easily the equation of the line. So using your point slope form, we can use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, or you can use the y is equals to mx plus c form also. You can first put the m and then you can put the x and y coordinates in the equation to get the c, and then you can rewrite your equation. Whatever suits you best, both ways are correct. Okay, so y minus y1 is, what's your y coordinate, which point we are taking? 5 4. So y minus 4 equals -3 times x minus 5. So it gives you minus 3x plus 15 and y equals to minus 3x plus 15 plus 4 plus 19. So y is equals to minus 3x plus 19. This is your equation of your line L. Okay, this is the first part. Let's move on to the second. Find the value. Okay, given that the P has coordinates 7k, where k is a constant, find the value of k. So what is k? K is your y coordinate of your center. So what do we know about this all? Let's find it all. If you take your radius, okay, like if you need that, do we need that? Okay, 7k. This is your equation of the circle. What else we can do is, no, we don't have the equation of the circle, so otherwise we could have substituted, like obviously then we could have known what is the center. What else we can do is, okay, we know the equation of this line, y is equals to mx plus c, and that is actually minus 3x plus 19. So as this point lies on this line, so we can substitute the coordinates of this point. So that, what are the coordinates for this? 7 minus k. Yeah, this is it. No, sorry, 7k. So if it is 7k, so we can substitute it in equation to get the value of k. Yeah, that's simple, easy. So y is equals to as p 7k lies on line L, so k equals minus 3 times 7 plus 19. Okay, so minus 21 plus 19 gives you minus 2. Okay, that's simple. Okay, we just substitute the point and we will get the unknown coordinate. Lastly, equation of the circle. So now when we know the center, we just need to find the radius that we were attempting to do. This is your radius. Okay, you can find this radius and then you can just write down your equation. Sorry, minus 2. So yeah, you can find AP or PB to find the radius. So your part C goes like center is P 7 minus 2, radius is going to be equals to AP distance or BP distance. Okay, so let's do that. What are the coordinates of A? A coordinates were minus 1 2, and P coordinates we know to be 7 minus 2. So AP would be, what is the distance formula? Y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square so it will give you minus 4 square is going to give you 16 plus 7 minus 1 will give you 6, Wait, this is whole square. So 7 plus 8, 8 square is giving you 64. So it gives you root 80. Okay, we don't need to resolve this further because actually we need r square, so that's fine. So what is the equation of the circle? X minus a square plus y minus b square, where a and b are the x and y coordinates of your circle, center of circle. Okay, so it will give you 7 and minus 2. So x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 2. So it will give you y plus 2 whole square equals to root 80 square. Okay, or just do one more step. So it will give you x minus 7 square plus y plus 2 square equals to 80. Okay, so this is your equation of circle. Make sense? This is all about your question number 6. I hope you get it. If there is still any confusion, you can ask us through comment section. Please give your suggestions also. Okay, now the next question would be question 7, so let's get into that.